In this video, we're going to explore craziest ways of making money online in 2023. These platforms have the potential to earn you anywhere from $10 to $100 per week, with the possibility of earning even more. Before diving into the video, please make sure to subscribe to our Money Access family. Let's begin with number 1, selling stock photographs. There are different platforms that allow you to sell stock photos, which are simply high-quality videos. High-quality photos in some platforms. You can even sell graphics, vectors, animations, and a whole lot of content. This is very easy because all you need to do is simply upload your high-quality photos, high-quality videos of anything, my friends. Many of today's smartphones are capable of taking high-quality photographs. As a result, you may sell such photographs on different platforms. And the platform that I will recommend to you today is Adobe Stock Photos. And that's mainly because they will pay you handsomely to just like me. You can also check out websites like Shutterstock, Pixabay, as well as Dreamstime. But there are so many stock photography platforms that you can use to sell your photos. Actually, let me just say that all the videos, all the photos and graphics that are sold in stock photography platforms are actually uploaded by people like you and me. And what I've learned is that this is changing with the advent of AI to the public, with some individuals using AI to make photographs to sell in different stock photography platforms, just like Adobe Stock Photography. So guys, this has to be one of the laziest ways you can use to make money online. The second alternative is playing money-making games. I'm now obsessed with a money-making game or money-making gaming platform. It's called eSkills Platform by Aptoide. To access the eSkills platform, you'll need to go to the Aptoide App Store. Download the App Store, and within the App Store, you'll find the eSkills games. eSkills is a platform that allows people to compete in different tournaments, and the winner wins real money. After you've signed up to the platform, you will then download different kinds of games. I mean, they've got different kinds of games, as you can see here on my screen. Games like Fruit Blast Master, Legendary Heroes, Car Dash, Free Cell Solitaire Cash, Zuma Marbles, and many more. So they have every kind of games, and the good thing is, you earn real PayPal money. First thing first, you will download the AppCoins wallet. That is where you're going to deposit money that you use to enter into different tournaments. Don't worry, I'm not talking about a lot of money. I mean, it's $1. This is one of the craziest ways of making money, guys. Because to make money online, you sometimes have to invest hundreds of dollars. This not thousands of dollars. So why not invest $1 and have fun playing different games that you like in different tournaments as well and win real money? And guys, you also have the practice option, which is really great. In case you feel like, I don't want to invest in any game, that I don't know you can practice until you find a game that you like. Until you know and understand the game and are prepared to play it. Then when you win your money, they're going to also deposit it into your AppCoin wallet. You will then transfer it into your local bank account or to your PayPal account. The third strategy is to promote various products. Oh yeah, guys. Here is another crazy method you can do it while sleeping in your bed. You can do it anywhere you want since all you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone. A machine that works properly, such as a laptop. And you can accomplish this so simple, and the platform is called Impact.com, which is one that I have open here. Yeah, you come to the Publishers tab over here. Select the affiliate tab here, and in case you are an influencer or creator, you can select the influencers and creators. But for everyone else, we just want to make money promoting different products. Simply you select their affiliate tab over here. You will find so many world-class brands that you can promote for absolutely free here. Whether you are into tech, entertainment, health and fitness, beauty, travel, you will find different brands who are looking for people or affiliates to promote their products. So you will need to sign up to this platform. Follow through with all the sign-up processes once you're done. You will then apply to different brands to promote their products. Some of the brands may approve you, but because there are thousands, even if you just find 10 of them, you still can make really good money. So fam, that's all for today's folks. Let me know what you think about these different ways. And are they crazy enough for you? Because I think they're crazy and lazy enough for me. Check out also this video for more easy ways of making money online. So hope you guys get some value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one until then. Have a great time, fam. Stay safe.